Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated and cooled seats, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, trailer tow package, integrated brake controller, spray and bed liner, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors with tons of extra paneling and storage in the bottom here. You're going to have your cup holder storage as well, accompanied with the speakers. And I'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows with the wood and chrome accent, as well as your seat memory. You have these chrome running boards here as well. Both seats are power adjustable, heated and cooled. Very nice. Left side, you're going to have your trailer mode as well as your 2- and 4-wheel drive and your lighting controls as well. On the left side of the steering wheel, you're going to have your cruise control, forward collision alert, as well as your heated steering wheel. The right side is your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. The odometer cluster control pretty much access all of your vehicle information from your speed, as well as your fuel range, oil life, brake pad, tire pressure, air filter, and other information like music, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and other settings as well. When you push to start, you're going to have the classic truck column shifter here. You're going to have your brake controller, 2 USB ports, as well as a 12-volt DC port and an AC wall charger. With hill descent control, auto stop, park assist, and lane keep assist. Of course, you're going to have your climate controls there. And up top onto the infotainment system. Like I said, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and OnStar navigation. Other apps included Chevrolet Maps, My Chevrolet, and Spotify. You can also access your rear camera as well as your hitch camera. Oops, sorry. And if you go here, you can have your Amazon Alexa built in as well. So lots of extra storage, cup holder, and we open up the center console. You just can have extra wheel locks and an SD card reader for navigation and 2 more USB ports. Passenger sides, manual or power adjustable, sorry. You're gonna have that same finish across the door with the double glove box. Speakers up top as well. You can have a little storage right there. As well as you can access your reading lamps to your power rear sliding window, OnStar services and SOS, as well as your powered sunroof. So you're gonna have these 20-inch aluminum wheels here. You're gonna have your Z71 badging, the chrome mirror caps, and then the chrome keyless entry door handles as well, with the corner step bumper and the chrome. You're also gonna have the dual exhaust. Sounds pretty good. Trailer hitch and your 5th wheel just under, with the easy lift tailgate. It's gonna go down nice and slow. Sorry for the snow, we have lots here. You're gonna have 2 LED lamps as well as an AC wall charger with 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. And moving on to the rear, you're gonna have the same storage layout, the cup holder, speakers company on the bottom with the power windows and the wood and chrome accent. Hop in. Tons of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat with rear cup holders, rear ventilation, and 2 USB ports as well as a 12-volt DC port. Center console, armrest and cup holder, storage behind the seats as well, storage under the seat, lamps on top, and handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, trailer tow package with integrated brake controller, lane keep assist, Goodyear Wrangler tires, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.